My name is Henrik Vibold. I'm a Senior Vice President of Global Sales and Marketing here in FOSS. We are working in the analytical instruments worldwide, covering all the food and agri industry. We are working from the far south in Latin America, Argentina, up to the northeast in China, and on the other side, Canada and USA. We chose Procenta as our working partner because we believe that they were very good in helping us in being more professional in presenting our new solutions to the market. Typically what you see in a lot of companies is that sales and marketing, they're not working together. Here we made it happen by the marketing. They went out and had discussions with the salespeople, they listened to the salespeople. By doing that, we ensured that we made something that was perfect, both from a marketing and a sales angle. The challenge for our salespeople is that they're working a lot of time remote, where they are out without any connection to the internet. And therefore it's very important for them that they're able to get connected to the latest and greatest, so they can present the best solution for the customer. There's no doubt we will be much stronger in our brand recognition because the customers, they will see the same message from FOSS. Another thing which is important for us is that we are bringing more and more innovative products to the market. And that's a challenge, because then you need to train your salespeople. We are doing that internally, but to be sure that they are saying the same, they're giving the same message, the presenter material or the system will help us significantly here. Because we are able to present the same things, the same features, the same benefits in a much more professional way than earlier. So we are supporting the salespeople, especially with very little experience, much better than earlier, because they have all they need.
My name is Lars Reimer. I'm the art director here at FOSS, and I've been the project manager on the Procenta sales tool. FOSS is a digital company. We make digital solutions, and of course we wanted to present ourselves in that way. The feedback we're getting from our salespeople now is that they love the tool. We have given them a more modern way of conducting their meetings, and at the same time we have given them a knowledge bank, a dynamic knowledge bank, that's always updated.